Hello, I'm Simon. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the drain pump filter on your LG washer. If you have been experiencing problems like water not draining properly, your washer stopping mid-cycle displaying the error code OE, or unusual noise during the drain process, it might be time to check or replace the drain pump filter. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more straightforward appliance repair tutorials. Let's literally dive in and get your washer back to running smoothly. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For this job, we're going to need a flat screwdriver, a towel, and a shop vac. The drain pump filter is screwed into the drain pump housing. Your washer could be still full of water and the door could be locked. Unless the washer is in the garage or outside and you are not afraid of flood, unplug the washer, turn the water supply off, open the drain pump door bottom left, and unscrew the pump filter. But that is too good to be true. Most likely, your washer is inside the house and probably even upstairs. So put a good-sized towel on the floor, then open the drain pump door. Squeeze the hinges using the flathead screwdriver and remove the door off the hinges. Get the shop vac ready, put it under the filter, and turn it on. Start unscrewing the filter slowly, turning it counterclockwise. Keep sucking the water out and check the water level inside the tub. When the water is below the door opening, tighten the filter and plug the washer in. When you turn the power on, the door should unlock. Unplug the washer again and open the door. Then use a shop vac to remove water directly from the tub. It's faster and less messy. Then for a final stroke, go back to the filter and remove the rest of the water using the shop vac. Unscrew the filter completely and pull it out. Remove all of the junk out of the filter and wash it. You'll be surprised what can be found inside that filter. Check the inside of the pump housing and clean it as needed. If the filter is broken, well, replace it. This is the old drain pump filter next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Slide the new filter in all the way. It will go in only in one position and tighten it well. Install the pump filter door onto the hinges and plug the washer in. Turn the water on and start the washer. Check for leaks, tighten the filter more if needed, and then close the pump door. Great job tackling the drain pump filter on your LG washer. We would love to hear how your repair went. Share your experience in the comments below. If you need any part or a replacement filter, just grab your model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. With fast shipping, most orders arrive in just a few days, so your appliance can be back in action in no time. Thanks for choosing us for your repair journey, and we'll look forward to seeing you on your next project.